Hey, it's Chris again from CJ's Organic Gardening and Landscape Design Consultation. Greenhouse is in. We're going to do a tear down and see what we get done inside. It's not huge, but it's not small either. So we're going to start unboxing everything hopefully here. Here's our greenhouse plastic. Oh, lots of aluminum poles. Anchor ropes. Now, I was under the impression that this greenhouse had poly poles and that it was going to flex like crazy and maybe be a problem. I'm pleasantly surprised that we have aluminum poles. So let me get this thing out and take a look at the instructions and we'll start putting it together. All right, we're making a little headway, figuring out the crazy instructions, but we've got our bottom frame pretty much complete. A couple more crossbars and then we're going to work our way up. We did a little framework inside so I don't freeze my you-know-what off. So here's the results. Yes, the office is a mess. Always is, always will be. After a little melee, we made it outside. Thank you, Dad, for the help. So here we are. And it's pretty darn sturdy. That's an aluminum frame. I thought it was going to be poly, but I'm able to pick that up. It's relatively lightweight, about 25 pounds altogether. And I'm going to move it. I'm going to get it tarp, staked down, and get some weight inside her. Maybe even get a little supplemental heat in there tonight. We'll see. Not sure of the current temperature, but it's cold and there's about a 30-degree mile-an-hour wind. Hard saying the actual temperature, but I haven't looked. So we're up, we're staked down, we're weighted down. Gonna have to do a little fabric stretching, little inside view here. Oh, that's nice out of the wind. I can go for that. All right, tomorrow we'll be doing a little more. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Current temperature in the greenhouse is approximately 26 degrees. I just closed it up. Obviously, it hasn't had any sunshine to warm up what's inside. But tomorrow's another day. We've got a little weight via our 10-gallon pails. We're going to make the most of this year, hopefully. Let's see what tomorrow brings.